In this video, we're going to talk about how you can transfer money from Dasher Direct to your bank account in 2024. So here's what we have to do. First, to set up a direct deposit, we need to launch the Dasher app and then go into the Earnings tab. This can either be found in the top right or the bottom right of your phone. So here, we will need to tap on the red bank symbol at the top right of your screen to fill out our bank information, and we need to supply our name on the bank account, our social security number, our bank's routing number, which is 9 numbers long and closed by dots. Our bank account number should be 10 to 12 numeric digits long, and if you have any checks, you can find your bank routing and account number there. So if you have any checks, you can find it like this. So this is going to be your routing number, this is going to be account number, and then check number. So after you have submitted all of the information on DoorDash or Dasher Direct, then we can click on the bottom right corner and then select money, then move funds, and we can move the funds to our bank, which we have just connected. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.